a fruit. I am sweet and juicy. I have a green hat on my head. What am I? I am a strawberry. Hello, I am a strawberry. I am a bright red fruit with a green hat. I am small and heart-shaped. I am sweet and juicy. Kids love my taste. I have tiny yellow seeds on my skin. I grow on low plants in fields and gardens. You can eat me fresh in jam or on ice cream. I am full of vitamins to keep you healthy and strong. I am a strawberry. I am a strawberry.
How do strawberries taste? Sweet.
Strawberry red, strawberry sweet. I am a yummy, healthy treat. Pick me up and take a bite. I will make your day so bright. Strawberry red, strawberry sweet. I am a yummy, healthy treat. Pick me up and take a bite. I will make your day so bright.
I am an object. I have 3 eyes. Red, yellow, and green. I glow brightly day and night. I stand at the corner of busy roads. Remember, always obey my colors. What am I? I am a traffic light. Hello, I am a traffic light. I stand tall on the street. I have 3 bright colors. Red, yellow, and green. I help cars and people know when to stop, wait, or go. Red light means stop. Yellow light means get ready. Green light means go. Remember, always obey my colors. I am a traffic light. I am a traffic light.
What should you do when you see the red light? Stop.
Traffic light, shining colors bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow says to wait, you know. Traffic light, helping us day and night.
I am an animal. I have a special pocket on my belly, called a pouch. I love to hop everywhere. I have strong legs and a long tail. That helps me balance when I jump. What am I? I am a kangaroo. Hello, I am a kangaroo. I am a big animal from Australia. I have strong back legs and I hop, hop, hop everywhere. My baby, called a joey, lives in my pouch to stay safe and warm. I eat grass and leaves. Sometimes, I practice boxing for fun. But don't worry, I am friendly. Would you like to hop like me? I am a kangaroo. I am a kangaroo.
Why does a kangaroo have a pouch? To carry its baby.